Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today I am facing one of the issue that is property ID has no initializer and is not definitely assigned into the constructor. So how we are going to solve this issue? Here you can see that in my file over here, you can see it's showing that error that property ID has no initialization and is not definitely assigned to the constructor. To how to fix that? Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To fix this issue, very easy and the very simple. What we have to do? Go to your tsconfig.json file and just enter and write a code like this. So there is like here we have the init strict property initialization to be false. Okay, make this one code, and now here you can see the error is gone. So make sure you have to just add a one line that is strict property initialization to be false. Now the error is gone. So this is how you can fix that issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.